Over time, traffic loads and environmental conditions cause pavement to crack, rut, and deteriorate. Left untreated, these issues reduce performance and shorten pavement life.
TxDOT, as I say, they invested a lot, so you have to protect this investment. So if you protect the investment, that means make sure your roads are not crumbling all the time. So if you get good repairs, you are assuring that your investment will be longer. But if you didn't repair it well, you keep doing repairs and repairs and repairs. You don't want that one to happen.
The Texas Department of Transportation, working with researchers from the Texas A&M Transportation Institute, collaborated to create a comprehensive set of best practices for repairing flexible pavements before preventative maintenance is applied.
So this research project included looking at our older manuals and gathering all that information as one, and looking at that existing information and supplementing that with information from the field, information that is used to make decisions in a timely manner. There was a survey sent out to all 25 districts, where we luckily had 23 out of those 25 districts answer questions on their best practices for these type of treatments and for these type of distresses. And along with all that information and data, we put it together and have hopefully provided a very helpful tool.
Preventative maintenance treatments like seal coats and thin overlays are designed to extend pavement life, but their success depends heavily on the conditions of the surface beneath them.
There are a lot of different maintenance, right, you can do. So one of them is preventive maintenance. So for preventive maintenance, you need some treatment on the surface. But sometimes these treatments don't work as desired. They fail early, right? So we come to realize that the problem could be started because underneath the treatment, the repair was not proper. So we need to do something about it, all right? So this research was done to make sure that you are getting right repairs underneath the pavements.
TxDOT developed a field guide to help crews identify pavement distress and select the appropriate repair for each condition.
So the benefit to TxDOT is making the right decision based off of the information in the field. When you're looking at a distress, you figure out what type of distress that is, and that type of distress leads you to the appropriate preventative maintenance. And that is what this is all about. This is about looking at what is wrong and not choosing the same thing every time, but choosing what actually addresses that actual distress. And having a flip book, a guide to know that I have the confidence that I picked based off of what I looked at and observed. This is what we need to do. And just making ourselves better as we go with that type of information.
For more information and to find the publication for this project, please visit the TxDOT Research Library at the link shown below.